Hello, YouTube creators. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to automatically reframe a horizontal video into a vertical format using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a handy feature for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. So, let's dive right in and follow these steps. First, launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer and create a new project. You can name it whatever you like. Now, let's import the horizontal video clip you want to reframe into your project. Now, drag and drop your horizontal video clip from the project panel into the newly created sequence on the timeline. Select Sequence from the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Auto Reframe Sequence. In the Auto Reframe panel that appears on your screen, you can choose the aspect ratio you need to match. Typically, for vertical videos, you'll want to select a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is commonly used on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. And there you have it. You've successfully auto-reframed your horizontal video into a vertical format using Adobe Premiere Pro. It's that simple. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials and other video editing tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.